I'm a qualified baby massage and baby yoga instructor, and in this section I'm going to talk you through a tummy massage routine for your baby. So when we're starting on the tummy massage, we want to take a resting hand onto baby's tummy, giving baby lots of smiles, just checking in with your little one, making sure they look nice and happy and relaxed and ready for massage to begin. When you're ready to start, we're going to start by paddling the hands down the tummy, one after the other. By doing this, we're really helping to expel any wind or trapped air bubbles from your little one's bowel and helping to make that easier to pass for them. We're then going to turn that into an elevated tummy stroke. So we're going to take baby's ankles, if they will let you, and raise them slightly into the air. And then with your other hand, you're going to continue that stroke coming all the way down baby's tummy. So here we're helping to open things up a little bit for baby and really help them to expel any wind or trapped air that they might have in their bowel, causing them some aches and pains. Then we're going to lower those legs down for little one, and we're going to move on to our side strokes. So for our side strokes, we want to make sure our hands are cupping around the side of baby's hips just to keep them nice and still. And then our thumbs are going to come into the centre of baby's tummy, just around the belly button, and then we're going to take some strokes from tummy to hip. So we want to use a medium to firm pressure on these strokes on the tummy. This will just really help to get through to the bowel for baby, as we're helping here to mechanically do the job of the bowel for them. So really helping to relieve any trapped air, trapped stools, and help make things a little bit more comfortable for your baby. By massaging over these side strokes here, we're massaging right over the large intestine, so really helping to move any trapped stools through that section there. We're then going to move on to our sun and moon stroke. So for this, we're going to be using both hands. To start with, we're going to use the left hand, coming all the way round baby's tummy in a clockwise direction, because that's the natural direction for the bowel to move. And then as you come round to, if you imagine a clock face on baby's tummy, as you come to around to about 5 o'clock, your right hand is going to come in over the top, just coming halfway round, which is what we call the moon, and bringing that down the other side of baby's body, as the left hand side of your baby's body is where the end of the bowel comes to. So this is really helping to bring things round for little one and help them to expel any stools or trapped air bubbles that might be in the bowel. This one can take a little bit of practice, but once you've got used to it, you'll be fine. When we've done the sun and moon stroke there, we're going to go with our rainbow stroke. So the rainbow stroke, again, we're following a clockwise direction, going right the way over the tummy, drawing that lovely rainbow right the way over for your baby. Remembering through the massage to keep giving your baby lots of lovely eye contact, lots of smiles, helping to keep them nice and relaxed. Once we've finished our rainbow stroke there, we're going to walk the fingers all over baby's tummy. We can use a nice firm pressure here with the fingers. And what we're doing here is we're helping to break down any large air bubbles or any large stools that might just need a little bit of help to break down to pass through the bowel a little bit easier. And then we'll finish as we started with a nice resting hand on baby's tummy and lots of praise and smiles for your little one. And there is your tummy routine.